Hi, hello everyone. I am Sagar. I am a pass out of 2015 from Electronics and Telecommunication Department of YCCE. After completing my engineering, I done my masters from VNIT Nagpur in VLSI design. Related to that, for the last 2 years, I am working with the electronics core industry. So currently, I am working with Cadence Design Systems as a physical design engineer. I would like to thank all the faculties at YCC, especially Dorge sir, for their continuous motivation and guidance in building our career. Also, I was a part of certain extracurricular activities like SS, Icon, which really helped us in the qualities like team building, personality development, public speaking, which is very useful in our professional life. So, thank you each and everyone who was part of my engineering life throughout these years and who made it really memorable for me. Thank you.